Good morning, children. This is your first class in science subject. We are going on our first lesson. The name of our first lesson is crop production and management. Crop production and management. Okay? All the living organism needs food. Without food, it's not possible to live as. Okay? Then, sources of food. There are two sources of food. We get food from two sources. The first source is plants. We get cereals, then vegetables, fruits from the plants, and we also get food from the animals. Which kind of food we get from the animals? Eggs, meats, milk. These foods we get from the animals. That means there are two sources of food. That is, first one plants and the second one is animals. Okay? And the next one, green plants are the only thing that can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. They are called producers. We are called plants as a producers. Why? Because plants are the only living organism that produce their own food. Animals and other human beings are depending directly or indirectly to plants for their food needs. Okay, so we can call plants as a producers because plants are the only living organism that make their own food. Okay, and the next one, for edible parts of a plants. Next one, edible parts of a plants. We can't eat all the parts of a plant. Why? Because some plants are storing their prepared food, remaining food in such special kinds of parts. That parts only we can eat. Part of the plant that we eat are called edible parts. Which part of a plant we can eatable? That's called the edible part of the plant. Okay, which kind of part we are eating on a plant? That part is called the edible part of the plant. Next one, edible part. Which are the main edible parts of the plant? First one, fruits. Fruits we can eat. Vegetables in some plants, fruits we can eat, such as carrot, beetroot, like that. And some plants stems we are eaten, and some plants leaves we are eaten. Okay, such kinds of parts are called the edible part of a plant. And the next one, some food items that are obtained from plants are. We get some food items. Examples, cereals, pulses. We get cereals, pulses, sugar, beverages. Beverages means tea and coffee. Okay, oils, spices, fruits and vegetables. We get these all things from the plants. What we get from the plants? Cereals, pulses, sugar, beverages, oils, spices, fruits and vegetables. And the next one, to fulfill the need of the human being, we are cultivating our crops. That means the cultivation of plants in farms is called farming. Farming means what? The cultivation, the production, the cultivation of plants in farms. Plants means which kind of plants? The needed plants. Okay, that producing cereals, pulses, vegetables. That plants, the cultivation of such plants in farms, in our farms, is called the farming. Okay, farming means the cultivation of plants in farms is called farming. And the next one, agriculture. Agriculture means it's a branch of science. Agriculture is the branch of science that deals with growing plants and raising livestock for human use is called agriculture. Agriculture is the branch of a science that deals with growing plants and raising livestock. Livestock means animal farms. Okay, like that, animals, production of animals for the needs of human being. That means for the food needs of the human beings. That's called livestock. Raising livestock for human use is called agriculture. Agriculture that deals the growing of plants for the food needs of the human being and the livestock. That's also need for the human beings food. Okay, so the deals with that things are called the agriculture. branch of science that deals with the growing plants and raising livestock for human use is called agriculture. Okay, and now we are using too much, we have lots of facilities for now agricultural functions. Okay, and crop. Next one is crop. The same kind of plants. In our farms we are growing, suppose we are growing vegetables and in wheat and rices like that. That's crops. That are crops. Same kind of plants we are grown for our need. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale. Okay, acres of places and on a large scale, that's called crop. Got it? Crop means the same kind of plants. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated. Grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale. On a large scales are called crop. Okay, crop means the same kind of plants grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale are called crops. Okay, and the next term is produce. Produce means the product which is obtained from a crop is called produce. What we get from the crop, that's called produce. Suppose in paddy it's a crop and we get rice from there, that's our produce. Okay, the product which is obtained from a crop is called produce. These are the produce. Vegetables, fruits, cereals, it's all pulses, that's all are our produce that we get from the crops. Okay, and crops can be classified in two types. Means on the basis, first on the basis of product obtained from the crop. On the first base, that means which kind of product we get from the crop, on that basis we can divide the crops into 8 groups. Okay, we can divide first type we can divide the crops into 8 on the basis of which kind of products, which kind of produce we get. On the basis of that we can divide the crops into 8, and on the season in which they grow, the crops that grow in which season that are called, on that basis we can divide the crops again into 2. Okay, same here. This is the classification based on the products. This classification is based on the crops. We can divide the crops into 8 groups on the basis of their products. First group is cereal or grain crops. That crops are producing cereal or grains and pulses. Okay, here it's a classification based on the products. Okay, see the first we can divide, first one cereal or grain crops, pulses or legume crops, fiber crops, oil seed crops, tuber crops, sugar crops, root crops and beverage crops. Cereal or grain crops, the crop lands are rice, wheat, barley, maize, oats. That means these crop plants produce cereal or grain crops, and that products provide as carbohydrates. And the second group, pulses or legume crops. On this group, the crop plants are peas, beans, gram, soybean, lentil, and the products they provide proteins for us. Okay, and in the third group, fiber crops, fiber. Okay, and the crop plants are cotton plant, hemp and jute that provide us fiber for cloth. Next one, oil seed crops, oil seed crops, that means they are producing oils. Okay, crop plants are mustard, sunflower, groundnut and coconut that provide us, but that provide oils. And the next crop, next type of crops, tuber crops. Tuber crops means crop plants are potato, tapioca. Potato and tapioca provide us starch. Sugar crops, next one, sugar crops. Crop plants are beetroot, sugarcane, beetroot and sugarcane. Okay, they are producing carbohydrate in the form of sugar. They provide carbohydrate in the form of sugar. And the next one is root crops. What are the crop plants of root crops? Carrot and sweet potato. Carrot and sweet potato that provide starch and vitamins also. Starch and vitamins. And the beverage crops, the crop plants are tea plant and coffee. Okay, that provide beverages. This is a classification of crops on the basis of their products. Got it? We can divide the crops into 8 groups on the basis of their products. That is cereal or grain crops, pulses or legume crops, fiber crops, oilseed crops, tuber crops, sugar crops, root crops and beverage crops. Okay? Next one, your homework. First of all, write the name of your chapter in the science notebook. What's the name of our chapter? Crop production and management. And source of food. There are two sources of food. That is plants and animals. And plant as a source of food. Green plants are the only thing that can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. They are called producers. Next one, edible part of the plant food. Sorry, edible part of plant. Here plant. The part of the plant that we eat are called edible parts. The part of the plant that we eat are called edible parts. Next one, some food items that are obtained from plants are cereals, pulses, sugar, beverages, oils, spices, fruits and vegetables. Next one, farming. The definition of farming. Farming means the cultivation of plants in farms is called farming. The cultivation of plants in farms. Cultivation means growing. Okay. The cultivation of plants in farms is called farming. And the agriculture. Definition of agriculture. Agriculture means the branch of science. Branch of science that deals with growing plants and raising livestock for human use is called agriculture. Next one, crop. The same kind of plant grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale. On a large scale are called crop. Next one, produce. The product which is obtained from a crop is called produce. Okay, and write this table, draw this table also in your science notebook. Crops, crop plants and products they provide. Okay, write these 3 pages in your notebook and learn. That's your homework. Thank you.